to the moon.
The month is November, the weather's very cold. Castor doesn't like November, the weather's very cold. Castor wants to go back to the moon.
Well, the spaceship is still broken. I'm looking for someone... I'm looking for someone to repair it.
Someone to repair the spaceship.
He's a mechanic, you know.
Well, Ernest, I've got an idea. Castor and Pollux don't like this weather, and they want to go back to the moon.
Edward the elephant is still in the circus. What can he do? He's a good mechanic, and he can repair cars. So can he repair the spaceship too? Can he repair Castor and Pollux's spaceship too?
How's the spaceship now, Edward?
Yes, it's fine now.
Now, where are Castor and Pollux? Castor and Pollux, look at this.
Thank you, Edward.
Castor and Pollux going back to the moon. The spaceship's all right, the spaceship's all right. Are Castor and Pollux going back to the moon? Are Castor and Pollux going back to the moon?
Goodbye, Castor and Pollux, goodbye.
Goodbye, Castor and Pollux, goodbye.
You're going back to the moon.
See you again soon.
You're going back to the moon.
See you
Again soon. Goodbye, Castor and Pollux.
Everyone? Yes, see you all again. Soon.
Goodbye from Castor and Pollux.